Stop buying Caesar dressing from supermarket. Today, we are making a rich, creamy Caesar dressing right at home. Stay till the end as we turn it into a restaurant-style Caesar salad. I am Dom, and this is how I make my Caesar dressing. We start by mincing our garlic for that classic Caesar flavor. Next, mayonnaise. That creates the creamy base of our dressing. Dijon mustard adds tang and helps bring everything together. Vinegar brightens and balances the richness. Now, give everything a gentle mix until uniformly combined. Now, slowly stream in the olive oil while whisking continuously. This helps create a stable emulsion, resulting in a smoother and more luxurious dressing. Not forgetting, adding the olive oil too quickly can cause the dressing to separate. Next, add the minced garlic for that unmistakable Caesar character. In go the anchovies, they melt into the dressing, adding a deep umami flavor without making it taste fishy. Add the Parmesan cheese for that nuttiness, saltiness, and richness that elevate every bite. Mix until all the ingredients are uniformly distributed, creating a rich, creamier dressing with flavor in every spoon. Finally, season with salt to enhance and balance all flavors. Give it one last mix until everything is perfectly incorporated. Transfer the dressing to a container and chill for 30 minutes to an hour. This resting time allows the flavors to melt together, creating a more balanced and flavorful Caesar dressing. Now, let's grab our chopped Roman lettuce and ready to go. Drizzle over that homemade Caesar dressing. Now, gently toast until every leaf is lightly coated. Into the plate it goes. Look at that. Every piece dressed to perfection. Finish with crunchy croutons or grilled chicken for a more substantial meal. It's like that you've made a restaurant quality Caesar salad right at home. Why settle for store-bought when you can create something fresh here at home? If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my playlist for more easy homemade recipes. Peace out.